I'm Richard Snell from IBM.
And what are some of IBM's public sector credentials?
So we do a large amount of work in the UK public sector, many central government and local government agencies. Things that spring to mind are we set up the first private city-based cloud in Sunderland for the City Council, with the aim of them being able to resell services onto local SMEs, to the third sector, so on. We've done a lot of work around linking data with authorities such as Brent and Camden. We're looking at rolling that out to various other authorities.
What are some of the key considerations you've been making for your clients in the public sector?
So at the moment, a lot of it's around flexibility, and particularly into licensing models and terms. We're finding that finance is not particularly interesting, but pricing tends to be a key component now, and showing value also over the lifetime of a project rather than just an upfront cost.
And what are some of the key trends you're seeing in the IT industry at the moment?
So at the moment we're really looking at things around mobility. I don't see a huge movement towards bring your own device, but towards things like VDI, accessing applications anywhere, anytime, access for citizens from mobile devices, and sort of, the changing of the format of a web page to suit the device. There's a lot around making use of the data that a council has, so there's more intelligence and insight can be gleaned from it. So, for example, when Camden linked up all of their data across various different applications, they were able to spot sort of parking infringements and school places where people had applied saying that they were living at such and such an address to get to a different school to one that they actually were sort of entitled to get into.
Plays a key role in public sector's transition in terms of IT services.
I think cloud has the ability to transform public sector services. I don't think that you will see many authorities going wholesale across the cloud and just sticking their entire infrastructure in the cloud. Certainly not in the short term, although there are a couple that are looking at it. I think what you'll find is that vendors and application vendors start to offer their products more and more as a service, and that councils will kind of buy a service from one place. So we see that a lot with, say, Office 365.